This morning we decided to come out to take some Instagram pictures, and I haven't worked out for the whole time that we've been here. This is our 10th day, and this is the first time I'm gonna work out. We're gonna take you along. This is gonna be a nice short video of how we take our Instagram pictures.
So where do you want to take this pic, babe?
I was thinking of going all the way to the end of the shore. What I'm gonna do is make this a series where I make some vlogs about how I take my pictures, and I'll show you them. And then it can give you an idea on how to take pictures in simple places. Of course, Madeira is not a simple place, it's an exotic island, but you can do that anywhere you are. And this is definitely a hobby of mine. I love taking pictures, I love being in pictures, and I love editing pictures. I like this look. Maybe we should take some like this. These are nice.
Yeah, those ones are nice.
This one's nice. Heart that. Heart that.
So you heart them just so you know?
Yeah, because it's so hard to find them between all of this, you know?
Yeah.
So I heart them, and then I go to my favorites, and then I start the editing process, which is my favorite. I can spend hours.
When I take photos of Tina, I take like 100 photos.
Yeah.
But I always wonder how she like digs through it. I'm like thinking this is a lot of work for her.
Yeah.
But I do it anyways just because I'm actually not that confident in my photo taking ability. So the more options, the better.
But the thing is, if the person who's taking the picture of you is not good at framing, or they don't see what you see, because everyone has a different style. All you have to do is just show them what you want. So if I give the phone to James and he takes a picture of me when I stand there like this, or he took a picture of me with this pole, most of the pole, maybe this is what he likes, but what I like is a little bit of the pole, a little bit of the island. So I show him, and then I go there. You gotta show what you want in your pictures, because it's your style. Your style is different from someone who's looking at your phone. We're going to a different location, so we can take some other photos. Oh man, I wish we could live here
Yeah, this place is so nice.
for the winter and come back home.
So where do you want to go?
Find a different location, maybe through here.
Yeah, sure.
Like a nice, simple background.
Yeah. You're on the hunt for a simple background.
Yeah, I just have to see like what catches my eye. This does. Okay.
Don't be afraid to be unique.
It's cute with the buildings, right? If I'm framing this, I'm not gonna put that Christmas tree there. I would probably do it like this, make sure it's dark enough, and I would sit probably in that corner. What do you think? Should we try it?
Yeah, that's right.
Let's do it. Down there around that corner, we took a few pictures. It's nice, but then we came up here, and I really like this frame, so I can probably show it. So look how washed out that is. It's because it's not focusing on the sky. That's how you want it. So we took some pictures. James first took it, but look at how many pictures we took just from this spot. And then I go through it, and I see what I like. Like I like that one, so I'll heart it. It's kind of cool.
Tina just kind of finds random little spots, right? So
If I like the colors, and the sky is blue, and there's like a bit of white and other colors, it just looks cool. But everyone has a different style. So we're just going back to the hotel.
yeah.
I think it was a success. You never know until I edit it. Sometimes we do all this, and then the pictures don't come out as nice as I thought when we edit it.
Yeah.
90% of the time they do. How long do you think we did that?
Maybe half an hour, 40 minutes.
Hour, 40 minutes. We just did 2 locations.
But you can do it quick throughout the day. Just like stop
Yeah.
and do it like quick times. Take a bunch of photos and then
Yeah.
I guess lock them in, edit them.
Yay, great success. Thanks, babe. Bye.
Bye.